Hi, it's George. In today's Gaviid episode, I'll show you how to import videos and images into DaVinci Resolve. First, let's go to the Media tab. In the Media storage window, find the folder where your media is stored. Simply select the files and drag them into the media pool. Another option is to click on File and select Import Media. Choose the files from your drive and click Open. The files will be imported into the media pool. And that's it. That's how you easily import media into DaVinci Resolve. If you like this tip, give a like and follow me for more practical tricks. Thank you and see ya!